Hello everyone, this is your friend Tarot card reader Prajakta Patil, and today I'm here to do your next weekly reading from 2nd of November 2020 to 8th of November 2020. I hope your last week was tremendously happy as we predicted, and before I do the next week's readings, I would like to share certain thoughts with you. So, I have been doing readings for many of the clients, and I have come to a conclusion that most of us, I would say 99% of us, we tend to forget ourselves. We take care of our family, our friends, and we take care of the requirements that they have. We do not actually pay attention to ourselves, this soul which needs attention too. Please remember that once we are good, once we are healthy, happy, and we are okay to deal with the situations that life has got us, we are good to go. We can take anyone's care, or we can just pay attention very easily. So that means the first priority has to be us. I hope I'm clear, and I will just go ahead with the next week's reading. Okay, so the reading would go like first would be for love relationships, then the career life, and the family life. So let's go. Okay, so first I'll show you what we've got. The first card is of love relationships, and I can see many of us are dealing with lots of problems in love relationships, wherein we are trying a lot to impress the partner. Okay, and we are doing all kinds of possible efforts that we can do, but certainly the other one is not paying attention, or is not being able to see those efforts, right? So don't worry, the situation is going to be improved in a way wherein you will not have to show what you're doing. Okay, it will be seen, and they will understand your feelings. So overall, love relationships will have a lot of hard work being put in, and also the output will be there. Okay, so don't worry about it. Okay, it is going to be fine. Next is our career life. So I can see that many of us are dealing with certain issues at workplace, wherein they are they are working on something, and they're not getting that appreciation, or many of us are actually waiting for their say promotion, or wherein their salary will be increased. So I feel they have to be very positive in this case, because your efforts and your hard work is going to pay off. Okay, you have to be positive, and also you have to be very calm, and you have to have patience. So keep working with the aim that you have. Don't ignore that aim that you have to complete your project, or you to reach that goal. Okay, so don't forget, be positive. Also meditation will help you a lot in this. We most certainly we have stress about work. Okay, so don't worry, I guess meditation will help you a lot to stay calm, have patience. Okay, so don't worry about it. Okay, now next is our family life. So I can see that many of us, mostly the young members of our family, they are going to have a lot of good opportunities, whether in their education, or say workplace. They are going to have recognition, okay, for their work, or for their whatever educational things they are doing. They might be having certain courses that they are involved in, so they will get a good kind of result in it. Also, I feel there are trust issues going on in our family life. I feel even if you feel that you should not trust that family member, don't do that. Okay, you have to trust, because that trust will later on give you good results, and it will give you a very good experience later on. Okay, so right now, in case of family, or say extended family members, if you are having some issues going on, just be calm. Okay, have patience, trust them. Okay, whether you feel that they are doing something wrong about you, or thinking wrong about you, or showing off that they are thinking good about you, and you feel that no, but in their mind they have some ill feelings about you. No, don't think like that, because the trust is going to be the key factor, okay, in this. So don't worry, think about the opportunities that you are going to manifest. You will have those, you will get those opportunities. Okay, so overall, in case of love relationships, in the career aspect and in the family life aspects, we can see that everything is going to be well. Just patience is the key. You need to be very calm and be positive about everything. Okay, so I hope it has helped you a lot to handle the situations that will be coming in this week. So all the best, and if you want to take appointments for tarot card reading sessions, please WhatsApp me on 8451872244. Thank you.